A nation exhales Biden's big decision. America, hold on to your hats. Okay, maybe not literally, but get ready for some news. President Biden just made a huge decision. He's commuting the sentences of 2,500 people. That's right, 2,500. These aren't hardened criminals, folks. We're talking about nonviolent drug offenders. For years, America's been tough on drugs, really tough, like lock 'em up and throw away the key tough. But times are changing. People are realizing that maybe, just maybe, we've been too harsh. Biden's decision, it's a sign of progress, a glimmer of hope, a chance for thousands to rebuild their lives. It's about time, some might say. So what does this mean for America? What does it mean for you? Let's break it down, shall we? The war on drugs. Sounds intense, right? It was. Starting in the 80s, America got tough on drugs, really tough. Mandatory minimum sentences? You bet. 3 strikes, you're out? Absolutely. The problem? It didn't really work. Instead of safer streets, we got overcrowded prisons. Instead of rehabilitation, we got shattered families. And who did it hit hardest? You guessed it, minority communities. The war on drugs? Some called it a war on people, but now, the tide is turning. People are speaking out, they're demanding change. And guess what? People in power are listening. Let's talk about second chances, because that's what this is all about, isn't it? Imagine this. You're locked up for a non-violent drug offense. Years go by, you miss birthdays, holidays, life, then one day, you're free. That's the reality for 2,500 people right now. They're getting a second chance. A chance to be with their families. A chance to contribute to society. And guess what? Studies show that people who are given second chances are less likely to re-offend. They want to make things right. They want to prove they've changed. So, what does the future hold? Is America going to become a drug-fueled free-for-all? No, probably not. But what we are seeing is a shift. A move away from punishment and towards rehabilitation. A focus on treatment instead of incarceration. This is just the beginning. There's still a long way to go. But for 2,500 people and their families, the future just got a whole lot brighter. And that, folks, is something to celebrate.